So we now have our pencil sharpened, and let's keep moving forward. First, let's put the fuel tank in. Put it about maybe about half an inch from the back truck and about 3/4 from the front truck, and put it about 1/8 of an inch off the rail. And put the air reservoir in there. And the fuel filler. All right, and let's put the snowplow on. And the coupler. Coupler is about 1/2 inch from the rail. And the lift bar. And put the rear coupler. And then let's put the latches in the door. As I keep kind of saying, there's a pattern to the different engines' latches to the doors. You'll kind of start to pick it up. And this engine has a, let's put the number board in there. Now let's put the rear number board in. And whenever I put the rear number board in, I always put the grab irons on. And actually put the, a lot of times what happens is when you start putting one detail on, you start seeing about 4 or 5 details all related to each other. Like the grab irons are kind of related to this one little box down here. The front number board was related to the back number board, which was related to the grab irons. And kind of see how all these different parts are kind of all intertwined with each other. Kind of actually makes sort of a nice little rhythm of, it keeps you sort of drawing. It's kind of makes sort of a fun rhythm to the drawing. Next thing you know, you meant to draw one thing and you end up drawing about 4 or 5 other things, which is actually kind of really fun. So back to what I was doing. I was putting the number board on, and then I was putting the headlight on. Actually, this thing has a modified headlight in the sense that it has a third headlight on the top, and then it has sort of a beacon, and there we go. Kind of looking for details. yet its horn is back here. And rear horns are always kind of a sign of a, not always, but a lot more modern engines have horns in the back or the middle. Yet this engine's not terribly modern in the sense that the frame stripe's not painted yellow, and let's see. So just kind of looking over it. Here, let's might as well just do the handrails while we're at it. Just kind of plated over classification lights, just put those on. And right about 3/4 is where this front handrail goes. And then this handrail. Now this is kind of a nice, it's not the ideal handrail painting situation, but it's kind of right up the middle in the sense of where it's got a yellow handrail on a blue engine, which is a little bit challenging. And the yellow handrail goes through the word Alaska. But then at the same time, the actual posts, the stanchions, are painted blue on this engine. So you don't really have to worry about them standing out. That's kind of nice because a lot of times when a handrail is painted yellow, the posts are painted yellow too. So at least that's kind of nice. And then that kind of really becomes, when the posts start being painted yellow and the handrails painted yellow, then it really becomes a spotting thing. Okay, so we have the handrail painted, handrails on, and we're pretty much ready to letter this engine. Okay.